So first I have already prepared a chocolate and microwave mixture. So we're gonna have like a little chocolate and 2 tablespoons of butter. But like I'm going to add a little more because I'm making a little more of the brownie. But if you're making a standard one serving, you can take this much, and we are gonna microwave it. So I have melted the mixture. Now we're gonna whisk it. When it comes to whisking, it really feels like we are doing the actual baking. So now we will have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or we can call it maida. This is something I would make as a person who has absolutely no idea how to do baking. And the fact that I am using a microwave is so crazy because this is a microwave recipe. So you can actually make this in a microwave, or if you want to make it in an oven. Though I have both the things, but I am making it easier, so like I'm going with it. Okay, yeah, I definitely made myself. We're gonna wash, The fact we have to use tablespoon, not teaspoon, because usually people get a little confused in it when it comes to the reading. And of course, sugar. So I did not have powdered sugar actually. So I used a mortar and pestle to add the sugar, like make the sugar powder. I do not know how to cook or bake or do anything, but we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So I actually measured this. We are gonna add these. And I'm gonna whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk. And now we are gonna add 3 tablespoons of milk for the standard serving, or 4 tablespoons of milk in my case. Now I am mixing, and you see how good the batter has been made. I'll show you from the top. So let's whisk and whisk and whisk it. It looks quite good if you ask me. It's like little dark on the camera, but like in real life it's like looking really good. So now I am using a microwave safe container, which had a little more difficult way of telling the whole thing. Now we are gonna add a pinch, like not have it, but now I'm gonna add a little Before adding the chocolate chips, which I'm sorry if you already did, you can add like this in between to kind of enhance the taste, and then you can add like you then cover it. Now it's the time for chocolate chips. And now we're gonna microwave it. So this is ready, and I didn't overcook it, and it's really good. And results. So this is the final brownie. So I think it turned out really good, and I liked it a lot. I had a little of it, so I think you all should also eat it. It's good.